Hey, Lou from RV Habit. I'm at the 2026 Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, and this Coleman is one of the most popular budget-friendly units out there, and people who have them, they love them. It is a Coleman 17B. It really is a budget-friendly travel trailer if you're just trying to get into something. But it's actually pretty nice, and anybody who has them, they love them. And there's a lot of no frills, but it lends itself to upgrading it piece at a time. But it does come with a power awning. It is a single axle drive. And if we go to the front, it's got a simple hand crank. Again, stuff you can upgrade at a later time, but the price of these units gets you into them. A single 20-pound propane tank and a single battery Camco battery case. It is a Lippert frame and it's powder coated. They're no longer painted, they powder coat them. Awesome. If we move on over, you have a lot of pass-through storage. Super convenient. It's your traditional swing out steps. Well, wait till you check this out. So when you come in, it is an east-west bed, but a full queen-size bed. It does look like a short. It might be a queen short. It doesn't look like your typical length. You got storage up above. You got a cabinet here for your clothes. It does have a mount for a television and the outlets for a television. Your control panels up here to your left when you walk in, and it's just your simple tank monitors and your power awning and your water pump. A nice dinette. You can comfortably fit two with a removable table. Real nice. And that table folds up and goes down, so you can make this a bed. And two small bunks for the kids. Really nice. What's unique about this unit, and again, it's budget friendly, is they use a wall air conditioner. And from what I understand, people who have this unit, this does a fine job. And it's very quiet compared to a roof air condition on the RV. So real nice. And I had heard some people complaining that it may leak inside from the condensation, but I have never seen anybody say that there's leaks inside. So they've done a good job with that. It's got a typical roof vent here where there's no fan in here right now, but again, something to upgrade. Again, everything in here is no frills, but it gets you camping. Nice gray stone microwave. A small but nice, and that's 12-volt refrigerator. I don't think I've seen a propane electric refrigerator at this show yet this year. Everything is 12-volt. A Suburban furnace at the bottom, a Suburban 2-burner cooktop, and a stainless steel sink. And it's not terribly small. It's actually a pretty good size. And huge storage underneath there. And you got two drawers for silverware and stuff. You've got a shoe barn there if you need it to be. It has a WIFCO auto detect power converter and power station, so if you do upgrade to lithium, you're all set with that. And back here in the corner, we'll let you in, is your bathroom. And again, nice stand-up shower. Not terribly big, but you have a power vent over that and a commode, and of course the commode is going to be plastic. This is a no-frills basic unit, but everything can be upgraded as you want. So in order to get into a unit, this is priced at a point where you can get out camping, and little things you want to do, you do one thing at a time. Just a real great unit. Everybody I know who has one of these absolutely loves them. So there's something to be said about it. It's made by Keystone. They're the Coleman. This is the model 17B, I believe, is the bunkhouse. They make a 17R without the bunkhouse. But great unit to check out if you're just trying to get into something real budget friendly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.